Okay, here's some quick tips from Scooter about mask maintenance. These masks we use get filthy super fast. You gotta completely disassemble this, clean it up in warm soapy water. I use Dawn and a couple paper towels in my hands. Get it really good, clean, reassemble, take all the rubbers off, clean those individually, reassemble it properly. I'm gonna take the screws out, just completely disassemble this mask. This one's for Nick. We're gonna clean it all up and make it smell nice and seal well. It's important. See you later. See, I'm just using my hands. This Dawn works really good. It's all silicone, so no problem flexing the heck out of it, getting fingers down in these grooves. Just the top of the strap set up. All of this can get super clean. Okay, on with the cleaning. Totally disassembled everything. There's a little lock ring. There's a silicone mouthpiece cover. Another O-ring. A little bit of piece here. Part of the mask.